the beat of of, of the music. It feels good. I attended a dance class once a week on Saturdays and sometimes on Thursdays at Paw Studios in downtown. Most days I dance all day long, and sometimes we have dance parties at my house. A great thing about dancing is you only need supply you only the only supply or equipment you need is your body and a good beat. I will wear sweatpants, a t-shirt, and a pair of high tops to my dance